10 creative electronics projects you can build at home. 1. Smart Plant Monitor. Build a smart plant buddy that checks soil moisture and light, and even sends alerts when your plant needs care. 2. Gesture-controlled lights. Build a system where you can wave your hand to turn lights on or off using gesture sensors. 3. Clap switch. Clap your hands to control a lamp, fan, or other devices with a simple sound sensor. 4. Mini lie detector. Detect small changes in skin resistance to simulate a basic lie detector, fun and easy to build. 5. Motion-activated spy camera. Create a hidden camera that captures photos or videos automatically when motion is detected. 6. DIY retro game console. Play classic games like Mario or Sonic on a mini-game console you build yourself using a Raspberry Pi. 7. Weather station. Measure temperature, humidity, and pressure, and display the data on a screen or upload it online. 8. DIY Bluetooth speaker. Build your own portable Bluetooth speaker using basic components and a little creativity. 9. Face recognition lock. Use facial recognition technology to unlock a door or drawer for added security and cool factor. 10. Password protected lock box. Make a secure box that only opens when the correct password is entered using a keypad. Subscribe.